Good morning to each and everyone present here. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So let's begin this session with a silent prayer. Let me get into my official duty of delivering the welcome speech. Respected Managing Trustee, Dr. Benser sir, Dr. Anwar sir, our Academic Director, Hamida ma'am, and our most distinguished guest, Izhaq sir, dear students, all teaching fraternities from CPS and all other CPS family members, a warm welcome to this August gathering. As Albert Einstein has quoted, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or objects. So let's see today how our students can tie themselves to their goals through the motivating and inspirational words of our distinguished guest, Ishaq sir. Let's see on that. And this event is hosted as part of our Leadership Activation and Motivation Program, LAMP. We are honored to welcome Mr. Ishaq Udwal Kudmil to our midst. A hearty welcome to you, sir. And I take pride in briefing you on the profile of Mr. Ishaq. He is lucky enough to achieve meritorious degrees from top-notch universities across the world. And he has got the prestigious GTA scholarship from Wayne State University. And he has completed MTech from IIT Roorkee with combined experience as software automation engineer. And he has done his BTech from NIT Kozhikode. His schooling was done in normal government school. So wherever you do your schooling, it doesn't matter. But what matters is how focused you are and how hardworking you are to reach your destination. So I extend a very warm invitation to our distinguished guest, Ishaq sir, to kindly give your words of wisdom and motivation to our students. Sir, please. Ishaq sir.
Hey, thanks a lot, Jabina ma'am. I appreciate that. And I really thank all the teachers and all the students, and especially my friend Benzer and Anwar to be here, and appreciate it. And I think, yeah, a lot of things I want to say. I don't know how much of the things I can say in this time what we have right now. So I and then first of all, I know it's morning 8 o'clock, and some of you might have breakfast, some of you might not have. So try to give some attention, whatever that you can, and we will learn something new together. That's what my hope is. So all the time that I was trying to do was like learn from a lot of things, from my mistakes and some of my failures, and all those things. What I have learned, that I try to incorporate in the presentation that I'm going to show you. And what initially what happened was like when Jabina ma'am was like asking me like if you can do a presentation so that students can learn something from it. So I was kind of, are you able to hear? Are you able to
Yes,
listen to me?
yes,
I'm
yes.
audible?
Yes.
You are.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, if you have some difficulty, please tell me at that time itself. Okay. in between, if in any time, if you're not able to see me. Okay.
And
So yeah. So initially I was like, I don't know like what I'm gonna say to every one of you. I didn't know that, and I need to figure it out. Then I thought like, okay, whatever I have done, I will like from my birth to right now. I will tell what all the things that I go through, and if you can learn something from that, and then it will be so nice. And after some time, maybe like in a 1 hour or so, we can discuss like whatever is the questions that you have. You can ask me anything. If I don't know something, I will say I don't know. And if I say if I know something, I will say. And maybe after some time, if you connect with me, maybe I can figure out an answer and I can tell you the answer what it is. So that is what it is. And still, I am like little scared. Like this is my first time also to talk to long a big crowd. Okay, so bear with me. Like a little bit of my heartbeat is raised. That's all right, I think. So let's go ahead and let me share my screen, and please tell me like if you are seeing my screen right now. Okay.
Zach, sir, you can also tell them what are you currently doing. Okay, there I have not reflected much. Boys will be
Yeah, of
happy to
course.
the.
Of course.
Uh,
So basically, that all will, yeah. So I
right.
can start with like what I'm right now doing is I'm working as it's called hardware in loop engineer in Honda. So basically, what I do is it's a very exciting job. So it's kind of like you go to a lab and you make car in the lab so that you don't have to go outside in a prototype car and test. So basically, it's kind of like playing the video game. You will be having, you can actually make the car in the lab, and you can play with all these things, and you can test like if the features are working or not. Is the car is like running it or not, and it has the brakes or not, and it is IG cycle. Do you know IG cycle what it is? So it's basically like cranking your engine. Do you know what is cranking the engine? Like when you like switch on the key, then it will crank, right? You will hear that sound, right? So that's what it's called, like cranking. Yeah. So if the tire is actually rotating or not, if it is actually seeing the rest of the cars in the roads or not. So basically, we will create all the things simulated. So it's kind of like playing NFS. You might have played NFS, right? Right?
Speed.
Yeah. So it's basically like that. So I love doing it. I'm learning a lot of things which I didn't know. So that's what I do for living. So for living, you have to. I think you sometimes you have to have a job, or you have to have a company, or you need to earn some money, right? And you need to find out a place. Or a job that you like to do. Why you like to do? Because uh, uh, by doing a job, if you are like helping someone, so if you are making cars, and if you are like trying to make an electrical car, so it's actually good for what? It's actually good for the earth too, right? So if you are like actually using a gasoline or an electrical car, which is better? It's electrical cars, right? So basically the whole industry is actually going towards electrical cars. So that is what I am like trying to so I think right now we can very quickly go to the presentation, and I think that is the same thing that I am going to show you in the initial stage itself. Okay, so let's go. Let me share my screen. Please tell me if you are seeing something in the screen, and let me
Yeah,
okay,
we can see.
you can see right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go full screen. So yeah, so this is okay. So how can I move this guy? I just want to move this guy. Stop here. Can I move this somewhere? Hide video panel. Hide video, hide floating meeting controls. Yep. All right. So I don't. So you guys can actually treat me as your friend, and you can talk. You can like ask me any questions. That's no problem. So why I am like stressing this point is because if you are friend with someone, you will actually talk like open, right? So you treat me as a friend and you think about what I am trying to say here. And after some time, we can discuss what all the things that you are thinking and what all your questions are. Okay? Am I making myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can actually call me Ishak. That's fine. Okay. So basically what I am trying to say here is we have to have in this session, we will learn some of the things together and we will talk about complete education. Complete education means not like maths, physics, history and everything, but I think this is much better than me. Bensir can say some of the things because he is actually working on the mental well-being of the people. So all the things together is the whole complete education. So we will talk about that too in between. Okay. So initially, let's go. So this is the first thing I want to show you guys. So basically because I was very much interested after coming here in all these autonomous vehicles. So do you know what is autonomous vehicles is right now? Is like in here, the cars are like running by itself. So I was so interested. Yeah, autopilot, absolutely. So basically, I was so interested, and what I have done is because I don't have a Tesla, so I wanted to drive that car. So I have actually take that car. Actually, there is an app called Turo. So in that app, you can actually book the car, and you can get the car from some of the private owners, and you can ride it for some day, and you can give it back. So actually, it is very nice to experience one of the new features. So I was very interested and I wanted to show you like what I have seen. Okay. So this is the video at that time I have taken. So I just wanted to, okay. Oh, this came back again. I floating panel. Okay. So I wanted to show you how was this experience. So look at, I'm not touching the steering. When it asked me to touch the steering, I'm touching. Okay. I'm actually running to in the road. So look at the steering. Huh? So when it is going to take a turn, so that is what I am showing here. So this is the place where it is going to take a turn. And look at the steering, okay? I was so interested, so curious. Like all these things, the car is actually doing it by itself. Okay. So this is what I wanted to tell you, the initial stage itself, the world is actually going towards artificial intelligence. So the car, how it does is it has a lot of cameras, and this cameras is actually identifying the lines in the road, and it actually acts on the car to stay the car in the line. And whenever there is a turn or we have actually given it a destination, so it takes the route right now. It's not kind of like a future technology. So basically it's actually happening right now. So this is what is the technology actually doing. So if you're like really interested in working on these things, you have to go and search for like, okay, how is this autonomous cars working? How is the artificial intelligence? So how is the artificial intelligence comes into here? So basically when you see here, so in this part, so there was a signal. So in this signal, what this car will do is it will identify this signal is actually green, red or orange. and it will stop the car. So basically how it does, so how the car understands that is a red color. So that is what is called artificial intelligence. So what you have to do is you have to go and search about this. Okay. So what is actually artificial intelligence is? So basically what artificial intelligence is, so the algorithm which is running inside in the car, that is actually a computer. So it takes a lot of data and the car actually learns what is a green color light, what is a orange color, and accordingly it takes decision. Okay. Okay. So right now, I just wanted to do something really quickly. So what you have to do is you have to take a pen and a paper and very quickly, because we don't have that much time, write your qualities and write your interest in 2 columns. So one column, some of this will be your qualities, and the other column, it will be your interests. So you can see here, your qualities might be like you have a very good sleep. It's a good quality. You might be a very kind person. So that's a very good quality. Okay. Oh, what's happening right now?
Hana Faisal, please
Oh,
don't
yeah.
annotate
It's
here.
not me. There is 2 Hana Faisal in the class.
What's happening?
Sir, you can disable annotation for others.
I can do? How can that's
Yes.
all right. So that's actually deleted. That's all right. Oh no.
That's what I said.
Okay. So who is that? Who is that doing it?
It's Ahana Faisal.
Ahana
Two Ahana Faisal are there in the class.
No, don't do Ahana Faisal that. Don't do that. Okay. So
Yeah, please don't do that. Stay away from the screen.
okay.
Ma'am, it's not me.
Yeah, somebody else. Wait.
All right. So should I you guys
No,
are like
if you can
doing it
block
too
them
much.
from doing so, it'll be fine.
Yes,
Yeah,
Isa
so-
can do it. You can go
Yeah,
to
Isha.
annotate the thing and options and just disable annotation.
Disable
Oh,
annotation.
disable
Yeah.
annotation. Oh man.
Yeah.
Okay.
So nobody can do it.
Okay. So do you guys want to delete this right now?
This you can clear, Isaac. That's
I
right.
can clear that.
Yeah, clear.
Sir,
please.
you can go to annotations and delete.
Clear.
Okay. Enable
Clear.
annotation. Clear.
Clear view.
Clear. Hide video, share computer. That's
No.
all right.
Not that. Not that, ma'am. Go to annotations.
In
Annotation.
annotation,
This one.
clear drawings, there will be.
This one.
Press on annotations.
Press on
Clear?
annotation and the clear drawing.
Clear.
That
Clear
option.
all.
Clear all drawing. There's an
All right. All
option.
right.
Yeah.
I got it. Thank
Now
you.
disable
Thank you.
annotation. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, so let me hide the again the hide floating meeting controls. Hey, so guys, that's all right. So can you do this really quickly? Can you do this? Write
They
your
will do.
qualities.
Yes.
Yeah. On the right side, your interests. Okay. Like kind of like do it like 10 of your qualities on one column, 10 of your interests on the other column. Oh, look, like you can be like listener, learner. You have a very honest person. That's a very good quality. It's a creative. You want to make like music. I don't know. You can like do anything. And interest. So interest is like you are like to studying. You like sleeping. Yeah, very nice. You like sleeping.
Sir,
Yeah.
the quality should be in the right and the interest should be the left, right?
That's no problem. You can do it should be on one column. That's it. It can be like left, it can be like right. That's not a problem at all.
Put it in separate boxes. That's what Sir said.
Okay. So like this interest. So you have to like really quickly think about the interest. Okay. What you like singing, music, swimming, like friendship. Do you like making biryanis? Do you like technology? Do you like looking at the cars, looking at I don't know what is your interest? Okay. I hope you guys done it. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Yes. No, sir.
No, let's go really fast. We have little time. Think, what is your interest? You want to be an influencer? Do you want to be a TikTok guy? Do you want to be Instagram influencer? I don't know. I don't know what your interests are. Like write all the interests. Do you like talking? Do you like teaching? Do you want to be like as great as your teachers? I don't know. I don't know. Like write all your interests.
Excuse me, sir. How much we should write?
What's that now?
How much we should write?
How much is what?
We should write only one, or we should write so many.
You know, how much ever you can. Like we have, I think we spend around like now 3-4 minutes, right? Like how much ever you can get as your qualities and interests, you write. We have 1 more minute, I think.
Yes.
Okay, that's enough. So we will talk about this in some time. So keep that paper aside. Okay, let's go move forward. Okay. Yeah. So this is what is actually I was trying to say. So basically this is, I have created this to show you like what all the things that I have gone through and it's like still going on. So to tell you what all the things that is actually happened, so what all the things that I went through and what all the failures were there, what all the things that I have learned, what is the friendship, what is the products that we made, and all those things I will try to say. Okay, so basically initially, so 1988 I born, and 1991 my brother is also born. Okay, so then when I was thinking about, like, this was also a great learning for me too. When I was like trying to make this presentation, I also learned a lot of things. So I was thinking about, okay, so yeah, there is like people born. So what is like birth and growing? So do you know like the initial stages? You were just like a zygote in 3 weeks in your mom's like womb, and you were like able to like progress towards like as a human baby. Have you learned about this in biology? Have you learned this? Do you know how we got this paper? Do you know? It's we got it like from different technology like ultrasonic, and you were able and you were able to see in your mother's womb by using scanning, right? It's kind of like a different technology they use to figure it out, and there is like really good doctors um, um, like my friend Benson. So basically, so we have we, so and if you look at here, like you were like just little bit tiny, and your like mother were like carrying you the all the way. Did you see that? Like it was so tough for her. It was like really difficult. So and this was what I was thinking about my mother too. Okay, so she was like carrying me. So I, like just from father's sperm and mother's ovum, you are like born, and you were able to understand all these things by using a lot of new technologies and a lot of good medical practitioners. So you can be that. You can maybe like help these people. Like you can be a nurse, you can be a doctor to help to give really good birth, to give a very good what do you say, like a very good health to the rest of the people. So do you know like what all the things your mother and father actually gone through? There was a lot of problems. So she was having a pain. She was having psychological issues. Do you know? Like next time when you talk to your mother and father, ask them like, how was it when I was in your womb? Talk to them. Like what all the things that they went through. Like there was like enough food, anxiety, sleeping problems. Were you able to sleep? So ask them, okay? And there are a lot of things that you can do in this field, because you are like so small. No, I'm not saying you're small, but you are like a big and small in between. So you can actually try to be a very nice, I don't know, doctor, maybe nurse, maybe like an attender. It's all like helping people. Okay, so think about this. So next thing, so when I was like thinking about my birth, I was thinking about that. So then I went to like around 1992. I went to like just like everyone. I went to this LKG, like a very nursery school. Okay, so then I was thinking about the nursery school. Do you see different people? So different people, like I can see like there is a difference. Like, do you see the people outside? They're like I don't know, they are like playing, but most of some of the time we have to have a careful in our India. We have to be careful, like we are like actually making students sit a lot of time. So I was thinking about that. The main thing is you have to move around. So you have to take care of your health. And second thing is, what all the things that you can do for the kindergarten peoples. You can be a nursery teacher. It's a very great thing. So that you are like you are giving your whole energy to make a new generation. Like you are like teaching this small kid how to draw. Maybe she will be becoming an artist, or you are going to be an artist, right? Right, am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Or can you do, yeah, can you go and help? There are a lot of people, like you can see the student is not having enough things as you do, right? Have you seen this?
Yes.
Like this student
Yes.
is not having a bench. So you can go and help them. You can go and make a bench for them. Maybe you can be a carpenter. That's also a job. That's you're like helping people, right? So you have to
Yes.
think about this. How do you think about this? So you can like think about like how you can do you know how people can help, and how do you make a business? It's always like finding out solutions. How do you find solutions? So think about my whatever I am working right now. Honda, I work for Honda, right? So Honda, hello. Honda people make cars. So what is the problem that they are trying to solve? They are trying to solve the problem of transportation. So can you try to take a problem? Okay, think about this. Okay, so these children doesn't have enough opportunities like us. I want to give him an opportunity. So how can I solve this problem and try to work on that? Okay. So this is what I learned from whatever I have read, and I have talked to people. So what you do is you figure out a problem, you try to solve that problem. So that's how you will do. That's how you will figure out a job. So one more thing is, you have to don't always think about always try to learn anything and try to do a job. You can also try to think like, pick a problem, try to solve a solution. Okay, so then you might be, sometimes I don't know, you will make a business. So that type of education should be also there, right? Okay, so let's go again. So what happened was, then I went 1994. I remember I started schooling, and I remember this was like at that time the Brazil actually won the World Cup. So I was like watching this live, so I still remember. That's why I added it. Then at 1997, so that was another big incident which changed my life. So my grandpa died. Okay, so this is very important. So there is death. So everybody who is going to live is going to die also. Okay, so that was what I understand at that time. So my father told, okay, he born, he died. Everybody will born and they will die. So this is what is the life expectancy for the people, like 81 for the female, 76 for, this is for the statistics of America. So basically, woman lives more and males live less. Okay. So, and here, this was a COVID time. Do you remember the COVID time? A lot of people died. And look, hello. Then there was these health workers. They were helping them, and there was a lot of COVID working people. So you can be that. You can help people to recover. Okay, this is kind of like a very difficult topic that I am talking about. So this is why, like, you will be like uncomfortable. This topic it is. So, but you have to understand. You have to understand. Are you able to read this graph? So this graph is kind of like a. So basically, what happened was from 1770 to 2018. You can see the average age of the people are actually increasing. Do you know how it is increased? Because we started believing in science, and we started washing our hands, and we started taking our drugs, and all these innovations and good medicine, surgical procedures, all these happened. How do you know? Do you know, like, all the new technology came. People started not believing whatever the earlier people not believed. They started learning about science. And look at right now, at that 1800, the average age of the people were like 35. And look at right now, 2000, it's around 70. You know the difference, like just 230 years. No, you can say like, this was like 1920 to 2020, only 100 years. We came from the average age of 35 to 75. We actually increased the each of the people's age by 40 years by believing in science. So you can work on science. You can be scientist to increase the age of the people. Do you understand that? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, think about this. This is very important. Like whatever the doctors, whatever the nurses, whatever the health people has done, the scientist has done. The drug means the medicines. The medicines, whoever found out the medicine have done. It's great. Okay, let's go. Let's go towards the next thing. Okay, so 1997, then school change, 1998. So do you see this girl, very sad girl? So this actually happened to me. So I went to a new school and I had no friends. So it was so hard for me. Like nobody was talking to me and I was like alone. So do you experience that? Sometimes we will experience it. We will not be having friends, right? Sometimes we will not have. So what I have done is, at that time, I was not talking to anyone. So there was this good friend. He came to me and talked. Why are you not talking? Then he introduced me to the other friends. Then we started playing. So that's how you help each other. So don't ever make any people alone. So it's your friend. It's your friend means he or she also having they are like just like you. Just like you means they are having also a father and a mother. They might be having sisters, siblings, and they are also thinking like you, right? So they are like same students. So basically that happens. So but what you need to do, you have to be courageous. You have to talk to people. Okay. So that's what I learned. Okay. So next thing is, so I went to 2000, then I moved to high school. And in the high school, at that time, I was like learning a lot of things. And I was like at that time interested in some of these. I liked mathematics in between. So that is why I told you in the initial stage itself, figure out what is your interest is. Figure out what is your qualities are. We will go back again to that things that you have written. Okay. So just keep it there. So in between, so I went to 2004 school, and in the high school at that time itself, I was like an average normal student. Okay, so normal students is not bad at all. Like normal means I sometimes I'll go play, sometimes I'll go study, just like everyone, right? So then I got like really interested in learning some of the things from the 8th standard to 10th standard. So everybody was saying, okay, this is 10th standard, it's very important, so you have to learn a lot of things. So I was like, okay, interested, let's learn something. And I gave a lot of time in studying itself at that time. So I was like so interested in solving all the problems, physics, maths, and like all the things. So after that, after 10th, I got a rank. That was like not because I was very intelligent. I know I'm like not a very intelligent guy. I'm like a normal guy. So, but I gave very good hard work on that. So yeah, I got a rank. That was nice. But what I understand right now is giving more important to the rank. Don't give more important to the rank, okay? So only the rank that actually helped me to get into the next school. So that for that, the mark was actually very important. But don't judge anyone with the mark or rank, okay? So what I have understood at that time is somebody doesn't taught me was like everybody was asking me to get mark, but nobody asked me to take care of your friend. So if he is actually struggling or if he is not understanding something, teach him. So I am telling you that is something I learned after a long time. So you have to take care of your friends too. It's not kind of like you have to get a lot of mark, but your friends also have to get a good mark because they are your friend. And they are also, if they also learn, they can also help the society. If they help the society, then only everybody will grow, right? You understand what I'm saying right now? So you have to take care. You have to take care each other. Understand? So okay. So we are okay. So let's go really quick. So Jabina ma'am, how much time we have right now?
Yes, sir, you can go ahead. Anyways,
I can go?
yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. So
9:30.
okay. So yeah. So let's so then what happened? I will tell you. Very important thing happened. So I didn't know there was this NIT. I know there was NIT Calicut existed, and I didn't know there was IIT. IIT existed. So somebody told me, okay, there is something. So I was thinking like, okay, I want to study there because it's a very good institution. Maybe I can like learn a lot of things. Okay. And more than that, I was thinking, okay, it's so like wonderful to learn in a very prominent institution. Right now I'm thinking it shouldn't be that way. It should be like, okay, I want to learn something and I want to help society, so that I will learn something from a very good institution. It's not kind of like, okay, I will learn from the top institute. Okay. So I am talking about the mentality here. Okay. So what happened was, so I get to know like there is this coaching classes for entrance. So I told my parents. So my parents never told me anything to do. Okay. So whatever they actually, they're like very free people. So they told me like, okay, if you want to study, you study. If you don't want to study, you don't study. But I actually wanted to like study. And I actually wanted to go and learn from this coaching class. And after 10th, I know like it's kind of like how many, 14 or 15 years. So I wanted to go there in the coaching class and I joined. So it was in Thrissur and I was in Calicut. So what happened, when I went there, I was so small and I always missed my family. And I was not able to stay there. And every day I used to call my mother and cry. I cry and I say like, I cannot stay here. I want to come back. I cannot do this. But my father, he was adamant and he told me like, okay, you told me like you wanted to go. Now you are saying like you don't want to stay there. I am not going to come here. Okay. So he told me that. So that's like very tough. So what I do is whenever my father was not there, I will call my mother and cry. Okay. Then what happened was my mother came with my uncle and they took me from the coaching classes and they put me in one of the schools in the Kozhikode itself, so that I will be able to go from Calicut itself. Okay. So right now when I'm thinking, that's all right. I was not able to like suffer that pain. So I went back. That's all right. Okay, then what happened? I learned. So from plus one and plus two, so I studied some of the good, like your school, like a very good school. I learned from there. And what happened was, after this was kind of like the school was in Calicut city. So basically what I was studying in high school was a remote village. So it was kind of a new change for me. I was like seeing all these things. So this is what I want you guys to understand. So when you are like moving to outside, you will see a lot of things. And I was like so distracted guy. I distracted means I am telling you, like I was not interested at that time in studying. Okay, so I was like exploring this new city life and like new friends. Then I saw a lot of I will say bad things. Okay, so people smoking, people cutting classes, going outside. So that always I understood why a lot of people including me have done, because we didn't have a direction. So I don't want you guys to have a direction. So we didn't actually know what we actually wanted to do. So you guys have to think about this. So do I want to be directionless, or do I want to have a direction? What I want to do in my rest of my life? Think about this, okay? Think about this. Yeah. So then like a little bit of I studied, and then I passed the plus two exam, and I actually got around somewhat okay good score. Hello, hello. Okay, good score. Then, but I actually what I wanted was, I actually wanted to study in NIT Calicut, which is actually near to my home. But after plus two, that rank which I got was not enough. So I thought I will go back to the coaching center and learn. That's when I met your managing trustee, Mr. Benser. Very great guy, very good friend. Okay. So still we like sometimes we message. We all have like busy life. Sometimes we message. Okay. So what I wanted to tell is like, so I had like whatever happened, I had some kind of an intuition, something which I wanted to do. Okay, so I wanted to like do something which is related to science and technology, which was my interest, which was I was seeing like a very nice thing. Why? Because I was seeing like all these things, whatever we are using, like mobile phones, cars, everything is actually made by engineers. And like the health things, which is like done by the doctors, medical professional nurses, and technicians, all these people. So I was interested in doing something. I don't know what, but I want you guys to think about for yourself what you guys wanted to do, what you guys want to do. Okay, so think about this. Okay, so let's go. And what happened was, yeah, uh, at that institute, so what we have done is we actually sit back and study for the whole year for the entrance exam. So that was only our goal. We wanted to crack that exam. We wanted to go to some good university and learn something from very good teachers. And so that was our intention. So that is why I went back after plus two. I went back and tried one more time if I can get it, or I don't know. I don't know I will get it or not. Okay, so that is why I say here, try again. It's not a problem that you fail. So that is the very important thing you have to understand. So what happened right now is people are so afraid of failing. Like everybody, nobody wants to see as a failure, right? Have you seen like in the exam sheet, do you want to like out of 50, do you want to get less than 18? It actually, this is a problem with our there is a problem in our education also. We have to question our education system also. If you are getting less than 18 points, that's not a problem. So next time you try to understand what is the mistakes that you have done. Okay, so if you mock somebody, like you get, oh, you got just only 18. That's so bad. That's kind of like you are not acting in a kind way to the rest of the people. Understand? Have you seen this? Okay. So what I'm trying to say is there is no problem in failing. There is no problem. So I see people suicide because of a failure. So that's not a problem at all. Don't waste that life. Okay. So if you don't get some good mark, that's what is the problem in it. You try again. You figure out. Maybe I don't know. Maybe sometimes if you are not good at physics, you might be good at history. Maybe if you are like not good at history, you might be good at arts. Maybe like singing. I don't know. You need to figure it out. Okay. So yeah. So next thing. So what is the challenges? So think about not about your own challenges, students. Think about the teachers' challenges also. So there are a lot of, I just write principal because this is the challenges that your teachers facing. Think about this. They have to figure out the curriculum. They have to schedule. They have to talk to your parents. They have to make sure like they are like making very good students. Okay. So they are actually making a lot of effort. So be kind to your teachers too. So they are like very good people. They want very good things out of you. Okay. So they have to do all these work for you. So then what is the problem that students face? So look at this. There is lack of concentration. Why there is lack of concentration for the students? And do you know, maybe you're not sleeping well. Like maybe you're like very busy with the Instagram. Or maybe I'm not saying Instagram is bad, but you have to give some time for the Instagram. Maybe you have to give some time for the TikTok. Okay. And what I can understand is like, don't use the time that you have as an escape. I say escape because sometimes what happens is you want to do some work, but you are like putting it off so that, and you will be like watching videos and you don't want to do the work. So you are like escaping from the work. Don't escape. Okay. Don't do that. Okay. And failing to make friends. This is very important. You have to, I would say we are all like community, society people. Make good friends, talk to them and talk to them like I am having difficulty in figuring out maths. I'm having difficulty figuring out history. So whoever like good, teach the rest of the students. Talk to your teachers. Okay, do that. So everybody is actually want to help you, but you have to open up. You have to make friends and talk to them. Like there is no problem. Like you say, okay, I don't understand this. Please tell me how I can understand. Don't copy. Don't do that. If you are not, do you know, like if you do that, you will not learn. So then inability to manage time, that we have already, lack of confidence. Why lack of confidence? Think about this. So basically in whoever in your class is just like you, like they have also parents, they have also siblings. So they also wanted to understand and learn things. And they also think about, okay, what is the next YouTube video I want to see? What is the next TikTok video I want to make? So they are also thinking the same. So basically they are the same. So you have to talk to your friends with confidence. How the confidence comes? When you understand you all are the same. Okay. And undecided about aims and plans. This is very important. So think about something and the qualities and the interest that I have told you. Okay. Think about that and figure out what is the quality and interest together. And make a plan for the rest of the time, rest of your life, what you want to actually work on. Do you want to be a very good teacher? I think this is a great profession. I know there is a lot of work, a lot of things you have to go through. But think about your teachers. They are actually imparting knowledge towards you. Like they are like trying to make a very good human out of you. That's a very nice thing to do. So you can be a teacher. Understand? Or you can what? You can help, there is attenders. So you can make the school run. There are like gardeners. You can be a very good gardener too. Okay, think about that. Okay. So next, what happened? Okay, after this, after the repeat, I got some good, somewhat okay rank. And I was able to join the NIT Calicut. Okay, that was very nice. So what happened? Initially, I failed. Then I tried. Then I again, okay, I got somewhat okay rank. Then I got into the, actually that was not actually okay rank. It was very good rank. Actually able to get a very good subject. But I will say I was directionless. I was directionless in terms because I wanted to join. I know like NIT Calicut, but I don't know like what is the thing that I wanted to study. So at that time, everybody was saying like, okay, electronics and communication is the best thing. Everybody who are getting the high rank, it goes there. So I also like, okay, let's take it. But I want you guys to think about this before. So what I right now think is, okay, I could have like talked to a lot of people in the NIT Calicut itself. And I could have like before joining, go there and talk to the students. What is the electronics and communication? What is the computer science? What is the mechanical? What is the mechanical science do? What is the electrical engineering do? So I want you guys, before doing or anything, talk to everyone. Are you understanding? Hello? Am I making like a lot of things? Are you like getting me? Or
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir? Is it going on nice? Or are you like sleepy?
No, sir. It's nice.
It's nice. It's going all right.
Yes, sir. It's actually interesting. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. So whenever you guys want to like take a break or like tell me, okay? So but we don't have that time. That's the problem. Okay. So okay. So let's go. Let's go here. Let's. I was talking about 2007 joined NIT. Okay. So but okay, then I joined electronics and communication. I learned a lot of things. So I was interested. Okay, I joined electronics. Then I got interested because I was interested in solving all these this electrical circuits. Okay, so I started like learning a lot of things from there. Okay, so then there was like good teachers. There was some good teachers, some bad teachers. Okay, so there was like good students and bad students. Okay, how there is some bad students, I won't say anybody is bad, sorry about that. So I will say there was different kinds of people. Okay, I don't like to say somebody is good, somebody is bad. How can you judge someone who is good or who is bad? You cannot. Okay, so there are like different people. Okay, so what I have learned, I started learning like mathematics, some electronics. Okay, some communication theory and everything. All right, so I was like learning all those things. Okay, and what happened? So yeah, so about the learning, so about the education. So I want you guys to understand. Before going there, just let me talk a little more about what I have. But there is another slide actually coming for that. So yeah, that's all right. So what I have figure out at that time was like I was able to get. I can explain all these things when I get to that slide. Okay. So let's say like 2007 joined NITC and 2011. What happened 2011 was at the fourth year, all these companies came. So our only intention is to get a job. So this is what. So this is also you have to understand. Getting the job is not the ultimate aim. It shouldn't be. Okay. So you want to do something good to the society. So you have to understand what kind of job you want to work on. But most of the people doesn't have that thinking. Okay, so I want you guys to think about it. Okay, so what happened at that time was I had a GPA of 6.72 or something out of 10, which was not a good GPA at all. Okay, because I was like I was learning little bit of things whichever I was interested in, and I was also not direction. I didn't have a very good direction at that time too. All right. Okay, then I was like making friends and all those things which was like going on. And and some of the subjects which was interesting to me, I was learning only that subjects. And in between, what happened was, okay, something happened in the third semester, which I really want to tell you guys. Like, I was going to fail in one subject. So, failing in one subject was kind of new to me. Okay. So it was so terrifying. Oh man, like I was thinking like, okay, this is, and I remember I called my mother. Okay. I called my mother and tell, okay, so I'm going to fail in this subject. I don't know what I'm going to do. So she told me, okay, that's all right. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you pass. That's all right. So she told me that. That was like eye-opening for me. Okay. So that is something, that is what I wanted guys to understand. So you should talk to your friends, family, everyone. So don't like take all the tensions yourself. Okay. Yeah. So next, what happened was, because my GPA was less, I was not called for some of the companies. So what they do a cutoff. Like a lot of companies wanted the guys who were like having 8 out of 10. Okay. So I was not able to sit in the job interview itself. Okay. Some of the interviews just gone like that. And then what happened? Okay, so then I was like, some of the interviews I was like clearing it, and I was going to the end round, and was this discussion round which was going on. And do you know what happened in the discussion round? It's a chaos, guys. It's a chaos. So everybody wants to get a job, and nobody will allow you to speak. So what I think right now, don't be like that. It's so rude. Okay, but that's what happens. But everybody is like want to get a job, everybody wants to make a living, right? So you have to understand the rest of the person is also a person. So this is what I want you guys to understand. Take care of each other. Okay. So yeah, so then what happened was, most of the time I knocked out from the interviews. Then at last I got the job in Infosys, which I didn't want to do. Then what I have done, I went. So this time, okay, 2011. So I wanted to do so my friend told, okay, let's go and learn little more. Let's go and learn how to get into masters. So I hear like very good master programs there in IIT. Okay, so then let's try about that. And I heard like there is Indian Engineering Service. Do you know what is Indian Engineering Service? So these are the people who are engineers who work on like different railways, PWDs, and all those things. There is an exam for that too. So you can actually try to do that. So me and my friends went to Delhi, stayed there. It was a long, long road. So from the Kerala, we went to Delhi and we stayed there for like so we had to figure out our own home. We have to make food. That's a very important. So everybody of you should learn how to cook. Okay. So if you want to survive, you should know how to make a rice, how to make the dal. Okay. So at least how to make a omelette, how to make a tea. All right. So we were have to learn that. Then we were like studying together, and all those things happened. And yeah, after that, we gave the GATE exam. But the GATE exam, what happened? It was a disaster, complete disaster. So what happened was, in electronics department, the score was usually 81 out of 81, 82 out of 100. That is the first rank goes to. So at that time, when I wrote the exam, I got just only 48 out of 100. I was like, oh, gone this time. No, I was like depressed. But somehow what happened was that time exam was so tough and everybody got very less mark. And I was able to get a rank of 130 and I was able to get into IIT Roorkee, which is a very great college. You guys have to search about this college, IIT Roorkee. It's a great college. It is one of the college that is created in 1820. Think about this, 200 years before. And do you see this very beautiful building? This is called the main building of this place.
Kakanda class?
Oh, watch it.
Ah.
You're on mute. Okay.
Is your father there?
Yes, my father is there. So you have to unmute. Okay. Hello.
Done that?
Sorry, mute. You have to mute yourself.
Okay. Yeah, we have limited time.
Okay, so yeah, so what happened next? Yeah, so then actually Roorkee happened, and we studied a lot of things in there, and that was electronic, and I worked in the labs. So you guys have to, if you're interested, you should try to get into some of the IITs. You can like learn a lot of things. You can learn the science from the prominent professors, like technology. So I was working on this. Do you see like small chips inside your phone? That's what I was working on. Okay, so let's go back. So this is what is education is. So what was the education that I was going on? So you have, if you are time, this is the great guy. His name is Sir Ken Robinson. So this is the person who actually pioneered in the education. So what he says about the education is to enable students to understand the world around them and the talents within them so that they can become fulfilled individuals and active, compassionate citizens. So basically what is education is you understand yourself and you understand the things what is around you. That means what is actually going on inside in your head. Is it fear? Is it anxiety? Is it like what, anger? Is it love? Is it compassion? You have to understand that. Second thing is, how is your world around? That is the people around you, how is they are like working. So second thing is, what I want to touch is there is some problem with our education too. What is the education? So this is also we have to discuss. We some people like disagree, but we have to talk. So sometimes what happens is education is actually modeled on to create the jobs that is actually industry requires, right? So industry, but the thing is, if you want to live and earn a living, so you have to work also. So you have to work. So, but you need to understand why the mathematics become very important, why the physics become very important, because industry needs it. So this is also there in the education system. Okay, so you have to understand that too. Then next thing is, so you, if you get a time, you need to go and search about this guy, Jiddu Krishnamurthy. So this person actually created some of the schools. So what he's saying is, it's just not read a book, pass an examination and finish the education. The whole life from the moment you are born to the moment you die is the process of learning. So take everything like your failures, your fears, your technology, everything. It's an education. Okay, take as an education. So after that, what happened? Yeah. So I wanted to talk about failure. So failure is something which all need to understand. One very difficult time, what I remember was one of my junior actually suicided, you know, like, because I don't know what is the reason. I don't know. Okay, but don't ever think failure as a problem in your life. Just failure is a part of life. What is the failure? You just learn from the failure. Okay, so think about something which parents can also do, like look at the child, praise effort and encourage child to take risk, help children to learn from the mistakes. So all these things teachers and the parents, everybody has to do also, and you all have to take care of each other. And if you are thinking like, okay, I'm like, okay, I'm dull, don't think about that. Okay, yeah, so this is something to embrace your failure. All right, so do that too. Hide video panel, hide. Okay, so next thing, so this is something which I actually learned from the grad life. So I actually already explained all of the things. So this is one of the photo. Okay. So this is so basically what happens in the college life is very interesting. So you have to experience that. So you will be learning a lot of good stuff. Okay. So you will be, okay. I don't know what happened. Just not able to, yeah. So laser pointer. So yeah, here, hide floating meeting controls. Okay, so you will be learning a lot of things. new things, chemistry, biology, like maybe how to make a tank. All these things you will be learning in the your college life. So think about what you are like really interested to learn. And what happens, some of the people, some of the friends of mine so actually got his partners or her partner from the college. That also happens. Okay, so for me, what happened was I was like, I had a crush, but she told me like, okay, we are like different caste and everything, we cannot go forward. So sometimes the what happens is the love failures happens. So that will also, you will also learn that also from there. So these are some of my friends. So this is, we took a photo and this is me here, you can see. And people, and like you will be able to play a lot of things. Maybe if you're interested in like becoming a football player, you can try that too. And you will be like working on different problems. Think about the climate change. So you can like actually work on this in your college academics. And there are like bad parts, like people going to drugs, people going to alcohol. So people, like these are all like escapes. Why people do that? Because they don't have a direction. So get a direction, okay? So don't go to alcohol, don't go to drugs. Okay, I saw a lot of people going to drugs, like small people taking drugs. That's so bad. That's because maybe like, I don't know, we are like not friends anymore. So don't do that. Okay, next, what happened? After that, 2014, I didn't get any placement. Okay, only 2 people got placement in our class, 15 people. So then I wanted to start a coaching center, GATE coaching center. Okay, so I went and started doing all those things in Thrissur, started learning about the GATE coaching center, all those things. But what happened? I was again failed in making a coaching center. So then my father, he told me like, okay, this is not working out. Go to Bangalore, get a job. Okay. So then I actually wanted to help some of the people getting gate education, but it didn't work out. But what I'm trying to say, it's all right. You go to the next one. So I went to the Bangalore and started working. Okay. I started working, and first job I was making chips. So I'm going to say about all those, whatever I was working on the next slide. Okay, so what happened was initially I was not getting interview calls itself. Very difficult to get interview calls. Then I get the interview calls. I was applying like everywhere, contacting everyone. Then I got the interview call, get a job. Okay, so what I was working on so interesting things. You can, hello, somebody is mute, somebody is unmute. Okay, so what I was working on was like making chips. So these chips, did you see these chips? This is inside, these are like a lot of metal lines. So these are like all transistors. So I was making these chips, which was very interesting. Because why? Because I was helping people to make these chips, which is going in the phone. Okay, so you can do that. You can actually go to the Bangalore and figure out, or you can actually talk to people who is actually working on these kinds of stuff. Okay, so this was actually, I was working on the GATE coaching, not me, like working on the GATE coaching center. Okay, and what happened? So yeah, next. So there are a lot of jobs that you can think about. Okay, so there are like you can see like different kinds of job. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, so did you see here, like there are like different jobs, waiters, paramedic, dentist, different kinds of job. What do you want to do? And think about this: doorman, football player, student, I don't know, you want to be a priest, I don't know, uh, do you want to be, I don't know, cameraman, a detective? So all these kinds of jobs are there. So think about this, what you want to do, and the rest of your things. What is your interest? How can you help the society? And there are like different things, what is the best, what is the greatest technical jobs that's going on? So there are like jobs kind of like blockchain, artificial intelligence, JavaScript, robotics. So I'm just throwing out some of the words. You have to go and search about it. Okay. Then what happened? Then I was like working on it, and I actually wanted to do a PhD. Then then what happened was, okay, so in between I forgot a very important incident happened. I got married. Okay. I got married when I was in Bangalore, and she's actually with me right now. Not right now. She actually went for work, so she has night duty. She's a doctor. Okay. So she's trying to help the small children. So she's a pediatrician. Okay. So she has a night duty. So then what happened? I actually wanted to do PhD. So I was like applying to different universities around the world, like Japan, Europe, US, different places. So at last I got an opportunity from one of the professors. And what I was doing, I was like finding out the Gmail of the different professors, and I was telling them, okay, I wanted to work in this. Okay, this, at last, so I got a lot of rejection. Then one of the guy who told me like, okay, let's do. You come here. Then he gave me scholarship. That's how I get the Wayne State University scholarship. All right. So what I am trying to say is, think about the things that you want to do and try it. Okay. So what happened then? So this is also very important part. 2015, the first job. Oh man, I really hated that job. So you can hate your job too. That's also fine. Because my manager was like all the time he wanted me to come to the office. I was like working 16, 17 hours. So which I didn't like. So that also happened. So you need to figure out something else then. Okay, so what I am trying to give is this all things that I faced. So maybe the facing of the things, you also learn something. Okay. So next thing. So this is what is how many kilometers from Washington, DC to Miami Beach. Do you know what this is like? This is the America. So this is where I studied. So this place. Okay, laser pointer. Okay, this is the place where I studied. So this is the main building for them, Wayne State University. It's actually built around, I think, I don't know, 1700s. So it's a very old building. So it's a very beautiful building where I started studying and teaching students. So I was teaching all these kids, American kids who was doing bachelor's, this electrical engineering, microcontrollers, and all those things. It was very interesting. Then what happened? What happened was I started PhD and the whole management changed. They told us like our scholarship is gonna end. What happens then? Then I need to figure out a job. So I had to figure out a job. Then I got a job in Valeo. So Valeo is the company who makes the camera for the cars. So I was like working like in this environment. Okay. So then I was working and like I was doing some of the job which is related to the camera testing, not in the real vehicle, but in this desk also you can make the camera like that I was explaining you. Then you can test the cameras. Okay. So then what happened? I wanted to try some more things. So then what happened? I gave interview in Honda. So this is the Honda people. So this is the people that I work with. Okay. So what they are doing, they are trying to do environmental good, trying to do. So they are like now trying to change to battery vehicles. Okay. So very important thing. Why there is puttu and kadlakari here? Because after coming here, it was very mandatory for me to cook myself. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to go and live someplace, then learn cooking. Okay. Then what is this? This is the place where I not right now work, but this is exactly the current setup what I work. So there will be a lot of machines. So you will be testing the virtual car in this. And then what happened? So this is one of the important, like a very interesting thing what is actually happened. So what I have done is I have done a DNA test of mine. So what is came out? I am like 65% Southern, 34% Northern, 1% Korean. So basically what I'm trying to say here is we are like not that different. So we had a lot of cultural mix. So this is a company, this is called Ancestry. So they will analyze your DNA, and this is a very big technology right now. Do you know? After analyzing this DNA, and they can actually change the DNA. Maybe Bensir can talk about this more. And right now, people are like, if they want to make a baby with blue eyes, so they are actually making it in the world by changing your DNA. Do you know how the technology is going? Do you want to like work on that? So interesting. I don't know where this is gonna go. This is so terrifying too. Like think about, like I don't know, people, we are like, we don't know something, then we are like terrified. We don't know. So if you're like worried, or where the world is actually going, so then you can actually work on the ethics. Like, I want to make this world right, so you can work on the ethics too. That's also there. Or you want to work on the technology, like, do you want to work on this one, like take the DNA and analyze? Think about, I am like 1% Korean. I don't know, like maybe if you do your own DNA analysis, maybe that is also like there. Understand? So, okay, this is again, we explained about the learning. So try to learn everything, try to ask questions. Okay. And this is very interesting to me. That's why I included this one, technology evolution. So basically how we progressed. First, we figure out fire. Then the important, the one was wheel. Wheel was actually give us the power to go from one place to another. So then we find out like writing systems, papers, gunpowder, batteries, bulbs, and like that. Right now, where are we? Do you know Elon Musk? He's making a company called SpaceX, where the rockets will go up and it will come back. Earlier, the rocket used to go. So you can be a rocket scientist. You can be an airplane pilot. I don't know. Maybe you can attender. Maybe you can like air hostess. I don't know. So think about this. How, not to become someone, but to help someone. So what is the important thing? All these things. What was the importance of this invention? Fire was the solution to make the food cook. So think about this. What is the problem that you want to solve? Think like that. Okay. So right now, what is happening is, right now what we are going through is, initially there was like steam engined machines like trains, then electrical came, then computer and automation came. So now these kind of machines actually makes the cars. Right now what's happening, the machine actually able to learn by using artificial intelligence, and they are able to make decisions. Okay, right now this is artificial intelligence and big data and everything is so interesting. So it is like a lot of people are actually working on it. They want to give an artificial intelligence to the computer itself. And so think about this. Second, so if you ask me what is the important slide of the whole presentation, so this is very important. Okay, so this is something which I want you guys all to have. So basically, wellness, mental and physical, this is very important for everyone. Mentally you should be well, physically you should be well. For that you should do exercise, you should do social connections, like you should have a good friends and good family. And emotional, think about all your emotions, kind of like what your fear of failing in the exam. Don't worry about it, talk to people and think about like, okay, fear is something which is happens to everyone. And occupation, so if you want to live, you need an occupation, you need a job, or you need to make a business. So how will you make some money? So this is something which I have always think about in the education. So the education should talk and taught about the money, how you can, like, how you will make a good money and how you will make a good living. So teachers should teach that. And there is spiritual, like spiritual is all related to maybe religion. So I don't know if religion is good or bad, but you have to figure it out. But you need to understand. Okay. And intellectual. So like think about what is the world going to be. And environmental. So basically what is around you. So basically trees and the earth and the pollution and maybe chicken which is outside you, maybe like a god. So whoever like surrounding you is your environment. So take care of that, like a good lake, good rivers. How can you like remove the plastics? Think about all those things. So this is very important. Okay, so think about that too. And this is gonna be very only 2 more slides. Just bear with me. So this is the a lot of questions you need to ask, I think so. So this I can share with you, maybe Jabina Miss, you can think about yourself, okay? So ask all these questions. How the world works as is now? Why should I study? What is love? How to cook a biryani? What is cryptocurrencies? What is artificial intelligence? What is 3D printing? So ask all these questions, okay? What is CRISPR? CRISPR is the technology that I was talking to you about, the gene cutting, okay? Okay, I know I talked a lot of things. You will be like taking some of the things, but I want you guys to take these 2 things 100% in your memory, okay? So these are the 2 things. Take care each other and be curious and question everything and learn throughout your life, whatever it may be, okay? And thanks a lot. So that was, I took a lot of time. Sorry about that. So I will stop share.
Yeah, it was
The presentation was nice.
a wonderful session as you reflected on your own experiences.
Yeah.
I
Right.
like the class.
Like the class?
Sir, I enjoyed it.
I
It was
like so
awesome.
much.
Yes.
Amazing. It was so good.
Okay.
It was nice.
Thanks. So yeah, that's what I
Right.
want you guys, like think and question, okay? So yeah, learn a lot of things. Learn from your parents, teachers, each other. Take care each other, okay?
Yes.
And
Sir,
be,
you really
yeah, your last 1 second. Last one thing
Your activity.
yeah, the activity. Okay, right now what I want you guys to do is look at your qualities, look at your interest, and match the quality with the interest. And I can say if you match your some of the quality with your interest, that will give you a direction. Like let's suppose like if you are like interested in art, and you are interested in maybe your quality is very good sound, so yeah, you can be like a very good singer by connecting those. You see that, like if you're like really interested in maybe mathematics, maybe you like to study, so you can go and learn about mathematics and be a mathematics engineer. So do that by yourself, okay? So do that and figure out a direction. So that's very important, which I didn't have for a long time. Right now also I am like figuring it out. It's not a problem. It's not a problem to figure out. It's not a problem that say something which you don't know. That's all right. People don't know a lot of things. Okay.
I got 3 matches.
That's nice. So that is actually for you. That is you need to understand and you need to take a step. You need to talk to your friends about that. You need to talk to your parents about that. And you need to always think about, okay, to live you need to have money also, and learn about money. What is money? Okay, that's very important. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's enough.
Isaac, sir, I think
Yeah.
our senior secondary students have few questions for you.
Of course,
Parvati
of
miss?
course.
Parvati miss,
Yes, ma'am.
one second. Yeah, you may ask them to come up with their
Grade 12
questions.
students.
Yeah, grade 12
please.
students.
Yeah, please come on. Sorry about I took a lot
They
of
learn
time.
lot
Okay?
of science.
Yeah.
Yeah, dear students, you may please come
Yeah,
forward.
should I check the chat window?
You can also check if they have any question. You may please put it
Write
in the
your
chat
question.
box too.
Yeah.
Ryan, not you now. We have senior students for some time. Okay, Ryan? We want the high secondary students to come up with your questions. Because Ishaq sir has learned a lot of science. If you have related queries, you can.
Yeah, of course. Please ask. If you don't have queries, that's also fine.
Yeah. He has shared a lot of experiences, right? There's no problem in
If you want
failing.
to, if you want to ask me like what's happening in USA. Oh yeah, this is something which I forgot to tell you. Okay, so there are a lot of opportunities for you guys in, especially not in USA, but in Canada. I see a lot of people come and study higher studies in Canada. Yeah, I can see which type of car camera did the dash camera or 360 camera. Oh yeah, so that is a very good question.
From whose side,
Actually,
sir?
yeah, Asil.
Yes,
So that's a very nice question. So, so what I was working on was there was like 6 cameras. So that cameras will be put in different places of the car. So one camera will be in the front, 2 camera will be on the side mirrors, right? So that it will be there, and there will be like 3 cameras in the back, and this whole camera will give you the whole 360-degree view, and the camera inside, and by using the software inside the ECU, it will take decisions by itself. And it will tell you like, okay, you are going to crash, so you have to brake, and they will brake for you. Yeah. So it's kind of like a very heavy artificial intelligence engineering is actually going on. But in that case, you have to also remember this all artificial intelligence is actually taking up a lot of jobs too. Think about this, like a lot of people who is like actually drivers are gonna lose the job. And people who actually work in the cashier, so these are actually replaced. So basically you can actually go to the computer and self take the things and check out and go. Actually, so you have to understand, so there will be a lot of jobs will be losing, and you need to figure out some of the things which is interesting for you and to the society, and you need to think about how you will survive also, how you will earn some money. Okay, so yeah, let's go to power to. Is it possible to make a car which can produce self power to work? This is something which is actually working on. So basically right now there will be a lot of batteries in the car. So these cars will be charged in the night, just like your mobile phone. So it is like charged, and we will use it in the next day. The world outside is interesting, but our Indian education system doesn't allow it. Oh man, yeah, that's something which you need to discuss with the teachers. So that's how we will correct it, right? Okay, you think something is wrong. Yeah, there is something is wrong. So you go and talk about it, how you can make it right. Or is this your interest? So do you want to work on it? Do you want to be a teacher and change the things that's actually happening? So you can do that too. So which is actually, I am like so interested in this education system. So I actually read about this. Go and read about that. Sir, how did you do the DNA? So DNA is basically what I have done is very simple. You can, they will send you some kind of a test tube. You can put your saliva in it and you can send it. And they will analyze your DNA and they will tell you all these things. So why I said this, because I when I understand this, we are like not different. We are actually coming from maybe North India, maybe South India. We are like all same kind of things. So after that thing, I understand. So basically, whatever divisions we have, right? All these religion, all these states, all these countries, all these divisions are, I think, no, we are all kind of same DNA. Like if you look at the DNA of the person in India and the United States, 100% same. You know, So that's same. So we are like all human. That's the thing that you all have to understand also. So I believe mark-based education is useless as it is only shows your memorizing power. Absolutely. That's a very heavy critique going on. Yeah. No respect for education. Do you agree? Uh, so yeah, there are some of the things is there. Absolutely. So you have to then figure out, then teacher have to figure out, and students also has to figure out how you will. That's actually correct. So in United States, when I came, there was only 2%, and they were actually giving the students to do a lot of projects so that they will learn by hands-on. I don't know, like we will be able to do that because we don't have that much capacity. Whatever we have, by that, we will do some of the things. Okay, so car making self-power, sir, I am 5 from 10C. My question is, how did you find interest in you're doing right now? And are you truly enjoying what you're doing? Absolute, man, that's a very good question. So right now, I'm thinking like I'm helping some of the people, which gives me very good attitude to go to the work and do some of the things. Yeah, actually I am right now enjoying, but after some point of time, I don't know, I don't know, like I will be interested in this or not. But I want to I actually want to earn a living also. I want to have money to live on. That's also there. And some of the things which is interesting me is education, so I will read about it. Maybe I will at some point of time I will work on that also. I don't know. Okay, so what is 3D printing? So 3D printing is something which you can make like you print in a paper, right now. So like that you will be able to print 3D structures. So basically if you want to make a spec the specs, so you can actually make specs by using 3D printing. So basically that printer will print the 3D structures. So that is actually really happening right now. So ILS go self-aware and their own programming, AI go self-aware and create their own program. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about this. Is a very good question. AI can create their own programs. So actually, I am not I don't know, maybe that is the direction which is going, because there is a programming language, not programming language, some technology called GPT-3. So basically if you ask that thing, okay, make a program for me to create a web application, so it will create that program by itself. So there is a program for that. So I don't know about that answer, which is going to make its own program, but it's always nice to learn about artificial intelligence. Go and learn about it. I have interest in aeronautics. Very nice. Go and learn about it. Electrical aircraft. Do you make autopilot Honda car? Oh, so Honda is actually I work on some of the things which is related to the autonomous cars. I do some of the radar and camera testing. I do that. And Honda is also going towards autopilot car. That's correct. Does autopilot car needs petrol or charging? Both the ways it can run. It can use the batteries. It can use the gasoline also. I hear that some car will replace itself. Is that right? How will the technology arrange that? I hear that some car will repair itself. Man, that's something which is actually going on. So the car can understand, okay, this is the problem which is actually happening. So it will figure out the problem and it will tell you. So this is the problem of the car having. So it will try to clear it at some point of time. We don't know. This is what it is going. Okay, is it possible to create their own algorithms? Yeah, sometimes. Sir, my brother like learn about DNA. So when he was a big, he want to become DNA scientist. Absolutely. Please learn about that DNA.
Ma'am, sir.
Yeah.
That's me. My brother is only 5. Okay, he know about nuclear, DNA, and something OP also. I don't know what is that, but he like to learn about that. He always say he want to become a scientist when he was big.
Awesome. So give him a lot of your knowledge and show him a lot of videos in YouTube about DNA. Do you know what is CRISPR is? CRISPR is actually changing the world. CRISPR is actually so I am like really worried about that also. So CRISPR, how it changes? Because if you want your child to be healthy, you can figure out where is this cancer strands are there in the DNA, and you can cut it, and then you can replace it so that your cancer. So what happens for us is your mother and father will have some disease. So you will inherit that. So you can actually go and check your DNA, and you can actually take that part, some of the things which I am not 100% sure of. Maybe Bensir can answer this more. Hey, Bensir, do you want to talk about that? Hello? Bensir? I think Bensir, I don't know, he's there or not. Because he knows much better than me, because he is the expert. Um, so, um, so yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, so how much time we have more, Jabina ma'am?
Yeah, we are almost winding now, right?
Yeah.
We'll have
So
the senior secondary students, let them finish up their questions, and with that, we can end.
okay. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, so when you inherit a disease from your mother and father, actually there is a problem. So you can actually use that technology, but this is not robust technology till now. And we also fear, if there is some mistake, what happens? And there is a problem. So there is an ethical problem also. You have to think about that when you do this, and there, and you, and the people are like different mentality. So how do they want to use this technology? So do they want to actually create superhuman babies? So do they want to do that? So these are all the problems that is actually happening, and we don't know. And you have to understand that this is a very what I would say, profit oriented world. So where is a profit, people do that. So it can be very problem to the humanity also. So this thing also you have to think, and you need to understand that this is a society which all the people never thinks about the well-being of all the people. You have to, this is a very serious statement that I made, okay? So you have to understand, you are like children, you need to understand there are people who are like very corrupt also. You need to understand this. And people not becoming corrupt because there is this drive of making profit. And when people want to make profit, then they will take a decision which might not be good for the whole humanity also. So you have to think about that also. So that is why I told like this is a whole education. Okay, so yeah, we actually deviated. So basically DNA, you can actually ask your brother to see. There are a lot of good documentaries in YouTube. Ask him to learn about it. Okay, so next thing, replace itself. Do you think technology is gonna take over the world? Of course, I think it's a matter of time. The technology is gonna. It's already taken. Do you see right now what's happening? We are always, right now I am talking to you, I am right now in a different time zone. Here it is Ardharatri 12:20 a.m. Do you know that?
So
Like
we have, Zach sir, we have deprived you of your sleep, right?
No. This is very interesting. This is something which I really wanted to talk to all the people about. And if I can give some direction, that I'm very happy. So something. So this is what I'm saying. This technology already it enabling us to do these things. And you are like most of the time, maybe if you are like having no direction, think about a direction, think about which is an interest. Otherwise you are also there in Instagram, TikTok. And I'm not saying that's bad. It's interesting to make a TikTok video, dance with your friends, and make a very good song which you sing and put it in the YouTube. That's so good. And if you make some little small piece of art or car which is running, you make a video and put it so that everybody can learn. So that's actually nice. But what I'm saying is the technology is already there in our life. It's already transforming us. We are like in middle of it. Yeah. So one more thing I wanted to about the technology, I want you guys to go and learn about is cryptocurrencies. So that is why I told you, go and learn about money. What is money? How the money is actually created. So right now there is a revolution happening here where our money, right, the 20 rupees or $10 or something, which is they are like changing right now. Most of the things we are actually using by using cards, right? So this card is actually, or the money is actually created by the government. So there is some other money which is created by nobody. So that is some revolution which is actually happening. So go about and read about cryptocurrencies. Okay. Next, DNA scientist, do you technology gonna does gaming helps in life? I don't know. Like if you are interested in the game, so there are something like you can be a game tester. You can play a game and you can earn a living too, and you can make games. So that's also possible. Okay, but if you're like just playing the game and you're not doing or thinking about what I need to do or what is actually my interest is, how I can help the rest of the people, or how can I solve the problems, then I would say you are like maybe wasting your time by playing a lot of games. Sir, what is your biggest dream or ambition? So that's actually a very nice question. So my basic, I like to help whatever way I can, because I feel like we are all kind of a similar kind of human beings. Like when I see you guys, I see my 8th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, which I was like thinking about some of the things where I was like playing cricket, and sometime I play FIFA and all those things, I think. So some of the ways, if I can help the rest of the people, that's a good day for me. That's it. Kind of great. I don't have a great dream, but the dream is I have some experience, I have some skills which I can use it to make some of the technologies, so that the people can help from it. So that is something which I like to do. Sir, now Lamborghini Terzo Millenia can self-repair. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, sorry, I didn't know about that. I will go and read about that. Class on 9:50, 10 a.m. weekend. Sir, what is your opinion about hackers? What is your opinion? Next up, reading robotic engineering. Can you? What is? Oh, what is your hackers? Should they all be judged badly? There are good hackers, right? In the ethical ones. Yes, yes, there are some of the people who are like doing ethical hacking. That's actually a job. Because they are like helping people to secure their data and everything. Yeah, if you're interested, learn about it. Sir, how would you look in 2050? What would be the new technology at that time? I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I am thinking like we will be going in a path towards digitalization. We will be doing most of the things digital. Right now, we are having this conversation through Zoom platform, which is a digital platform. So the payments will be happening. So maybe people will not be carrying around money. So they will be having a mobile app, will just pay. And cars, so cars will be like running by itself. So that all things will gonna happen. So how can you help others? So think about it. What need to do what biochemistry related research in Canada or UK? So if you want to do Canada, so I can actually send some of the videos to Jabina ma'am, so that she can share with you like how you can study the in Canada and UK and everyone. every place. So I can see a lot of people are actually trying to, after +2, they're trying to, but it's extreme costly. So that is where I was like lucky, because I was able to do my bachelor's and master's from India. And when you do a PhD, they will give you scholarship. So you don't have to spend that much money. So you have to think about that also. Okay. So your parents might not be having that much money. So taking a loan and going is like a very difficult thing. So you have to understand that too. Then next step, studying robotic engineering, or can you suggest any field where robotics is everywhere right now? Go and study that. That's a big, because the robots are actually making cars. I know, because most of the assembly line right now, just people and machines are like together working. So right now what happening is, machine and men are there, both are there. Maybe at some point of time, the machine will learn how to do things. And so there is a problem. So this kind of a job, sustaining job to make a living, I don't know, it's gonna last also. That also you have to think. Right now, people are talking about universal basic income. So basically, some of the think about is like a lot of old people, think about them, like they were like working. Now here, okay, they were working as a cashier and everyone. Okay, so they are like replaced. How they are gonna live? So think about this. So now the government has to give everyone some money to live on. Not kind of like maybe at some point of time the job will be. And I will tell you one thing, this is very important. Okay, in your life, it's not kind of a life you are going to live, I think, the earlier people has lived. Because you maybe if you get a government job, I don't know, but right now you learned something and you work on that thing in your entire life. It's not gonna be here. This is a hard reality. A student have to understand. Okay, so you every time what you need to do is you need to learn all the time new things. You learn and go. And you need to say to the government also, okay, this is what is happening is not right. So you have to help us. So there is a problem with the government also. They need to understand that. Okay, so sir, I can session because I came late. Oh, you. I don't know about that. I will talk to Jabina ma'am, but this is gonna be very boring for rest of the people.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
I think
That's right.
I think
can see
there is
the
gonna be a video. You
yeah,
might be getting that video.
yes, sir. That he
Yeah.
can. I hope we have almost finished all the questions, isn't it, Isaac, sir?
If we
Yeah,
have
there are a
any
lot of
more, we can post it to the
But
group,
yeah, we are
yeah.
running out of
Yeah.
time. They have classes also.
Have class now.
Anyways, thank
I
you
can
so
answer
much.
that question maybe like in a
Yeah.
text format if you send me.
Okay, sir. Okay, it was a very fruitful session because you reflected mostly on your life experiences and being yourself a digital design engineer. I hope you have helped them design their aspirations too.
Absolutely, I hope so.
That is it. Even then, even though they may fall, they can flap their wings and fly high. That is the lesson and the best takeaway that our students have got today. So thank you so much for being with us despite your heavy schedule, I must say. And
No.
you can have a good sound sleep because you have given enough, helped our students. Okay.
Yeah, and
So
I really thankful for Jambina ma'am to talk to me, and I was like a little scared, and she told me like, okay, you go ahead and do it, whatever you know. That's I really thankful for that, and thank you for rest of the teachers and rest of the students all. Please do well, and thanks for Bensir also and Anwar also.
yeah.
I appreciate that. Yep, thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Okay.
dear students and teachers.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for
Isaac.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
Thank you,
you. We will all work after.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Good night to you from here.
Yeah. Good morning for you.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.